Welcome back to the channel. To beat the early sunlight in this Swedish summer, I am installing this IKEA blinds. So, first we need to open the packing and take out the blinds. It's part and set of instruction. On this page, you can see that there are 3 ways to install it, and you can find the relevant instructions on the mentioned page number. The way to install the holder are also shown in front of each style. Don't forget to leave 5 centimeters above and below the blinds. You need to use this paper strip in order to mark the screw positions on the wall. I will show you that in a moment. Now, I will show the parts we need to assemble. I have tapped the paper like this. Make sure that it is balanced. I will use pencil to put the marks on the wall. First on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side. Now, I will screw the holder starting from the left side again. Here, I want to show you that the left-hand side of blinds looks like this. That will be mounted on the left holder. Fixing remaining screws. Fix the roller part of the blind like this on the left-hand holder. And insert the handle part on the right-hand side of the blind and insert the clip in the right-hand holder. Finally, remove this red clip and the holding sticker. Let's test it now. Here's the final look. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you,